Chapter 5 Scratch 3 A Programming Adventure. Learning Objectives. Changing the appearance of a sprite. Sensing blocks. Control blocks. Understanding Scratch extension. Pen extension. Drawing geometrical shapes.
Nan, can we change the appearance of the sprite and make it interactive or control its movement?
Yes, children, Scratch 3 offers a lot of blocks to create a project that focuses on sprite's appearance, adding senses to the sprite, and many more. Let's discuss all these in detail. Changing the appearance of a sprite. A costume is a specific appearance for a sprite. The Costume tab displays all the costumes for the selected sprite. By default, a sprite uses only one costume. You can edit the sprite's costume and create animation by quickly changing the costumes of a sprite. To change the appearance of a sprite, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the Scratch window and click on to the Costumes tab. Step 2. Select the Choose a Costume option, which is available at the bottom left corner of the Costumes tab. The various options available for adding a costume are: Choose a costume. Used to choose a costume from the Costumes library inbuilt in Scratch. Paint. Used to choose a costume from the Costumes library inbuilt in Scratch. Surprise. Adds a random costume to the costumes list of the current sprite. Upload costume. Used to upload a new costume from the image files stored in your computer. Let us learn how to create an interesting project using different costumes of a sprite. Project 1. Cat sprite changes the costume while walking. Step 1. Open Scratch app and position the cat sprite as shown in the image. Step 2. In the script area, create the stack of blocks as shown in the image. Step 3. Click on the green flag button to execute the project. The costume of the cat sprite will change as it moves. Step 4. Click on the stop button to stop the project. Sensing blocks. Sensing blocks are blue in color and used to sense input entered by the user or detect things. Some of the commonly used sensing blocks are: blocks. Ask what's your name and wait. Description. Allows the sprite to ask a question on the screen and then waits for the input entered by the user. Answer. Stores the answer input entered by the user and displays it on the screen if needed. Let us understand the working of the ask and answer blocks with the help of a simple project. Project 2. Cat sprite asks the name and displays the entered name on the screen. Step 1. Open the Scratch window. The cat sprite is already available on the stage. Step 2. Drag when green flag clicked block from the events category and drop it into the code area. Step 3. Drag ask block from the sensing category and drop it below the when green flag clicked block. Step 4. Go to the Looks block category and drag Say Hello block and snap it below the Answer block. Replace the word Hello with the Answer block. Step 5. Click on When Green Flag Clicked button to run the code. On clicking the green flag button, a question appears in a voice bubble on the screen. You should type the answer and click the check mark or press the Enter key. Control blocks. The control category blocks are golden in color and used to control the code as well as the sprite's action. The various control blocks are Blocks. Description. Wait 1 seconds. Used to pause the code for the specified time. Forever. Used to run the code again and again. Repeat 10. Used to run the code for a specified number of times. Repeat until. Repeats the enclosed stack of blocks until the specified condition evaluates to true. Stop all. Stops the execution of script of a sprite or scripts for all sprites or all loops currently in the project. Let us understand the use of repeat block and forever block with the help of the following codes. In this code, when the green flag button is clicked, the sprite will move 5 times and change its costume. The sprite will walk, change its costume, and bounce back if it touches the stage boundary continuously until stop button is clicked. Project 3. Bouncing the ball up and down using forever block. Step 1. Delete the cat sprite and add ball sprite from the sprites library. Step 2. Add the backdrop blue sky from the library. Step 3. Drag forever block from the control blocks category to the code area. Step 4. Drag the Go To block from the Motions category to place it inside the Forever block. Step 5. Drag Change Color block from the Looks category and place it as shown. Step 6. Click on the green flag button to run the code. Fast fact: the Go To block instructs the sprite to go at random position. Understanding Scratch extension. Extension is a new feature in Scratch 3 that allows us to make Scratch programs that can easily communicate with online resources and external hardware. In order to use or add an extension, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Add Extension icon in the bottom left corner of the Scratch Programming Editor, next to the block categories. A gallery of available extensions will be displayed. Step 2. Select the desired extension. After selecting extension, a new category of selected extension blocks will be added to your project. Fast fact: Scratch was developed using another programming language known as Squeak pen extension. The pen extension is a collection of blocks that are used to draw on the stage using the sprite as a pen. The pen blocks category is displayed under the Code tab, and the pen blocks color code green are displayed in the blocks palette. Some of the blocks under pen extension are blocks, function, pen down, puts the pen of the sprite down so it draws as it moves. Pen up pulls the pen of the sprite up so it does not draw as it moves. Set pen color to sets the pen's color to a specified value. Erase all clears all pen marks and stamps from the stage. Set pen size to sets the thickness of the pen to a specified value. Stamp stamps the sprite's image on the stage. Change pen color by changes the pen's color by the specified value. Drawing geometrical shapes. The pen extension blocks can be used to draw various geometrical shapes on the stage, such as circles, rectangle, square, or triangle. To draw any geometric shape, we need to know the number of steps that the sprite has to move to draw a side of the shape and the angle it needs to turn to complete the shape. Some examples using the repeat block. We can create polygons and circles using the repeat block. To draw a shape of n sides, the sprite has to turn at the angle of 360 divided by n degrees. The turning angle depends on the number of sides of the polygon. For example, to make a triangle 3 sides, the sprite has to turn 360 divided by 3 equals to 120 degrees. The number of steps in the repeat block can be changed as per the number of the sides. So, here the command will be shape, triangle, number of sides 3, turning angle 360 divided by 3 equals to 120. Stack of blocks, figure, square, number of sides 4, turning angle 360 divided by 4 is equals to 90. Shape, pentagon, number of sides 5, turning angle 360 divided by 5 is equals to 72. Shape, circle, number of sides 360, no sides. Turning angle 360 divided by 360 is equals to 1. Figure, drawing a rectangle. To draw a rectangle, we need to turn the sprite by 90 degrees after each movement. We have to use repeat block 2 times as opposite sides are equal. Step 1. Create a new project and click the Add Extension button. Step 2. Now add the pen extension to the project. Step 3. In the scripts area, create the stack of blocks as shown in the image. Step 4. Click on the green flag button to execute the project. Project 4. Robot sprite draws a pentagon, leaving a copy of itself at each vertex of the pentagon. Step 1. Create a new project and delete the cat sprite. Step 2. Add the retro robot sprite from the sprites library. Step 3. In the sprite info pane, change the size of the sprite to 50. Step 4. Click the Add Extension button and add the pen extension to the project. Step 5. In the code area, create the stack of blocks as shown in the image. Step 6. Click on the green flag button to execute the project. Music extension. The music extension is an extension in Scratch 3 that allows users to compose music and play notes in Scratch. Some of the main blocks under music extensions are blocks. Play drum for dash beats. Function plays a specified drum sound for a specified number of beats. Rest for dash beats. Pauses the sound in the script for the given number of beats. Play note for beats. Plays the specified note A, B to G for the specified number of beats. Set instrument to sets the instrument to a specified instrument. Play note for beats. Set tempo to specified amount. Project 5. Code the drum sprite using control blocks and music extension blocks. Step 1. Create a new project. Step 2. Delete the cat sprite and add the drum sprite from the sprites library. Step 3. In the sprite info pane, change the X and Y values of the sprite to 30 and -30 respectively. Step 4. Add the spotlight backdrop from the music category from the backdrop library. Step 5. In the script area, create the stack of blocks as shown in the image. Step 6. Click on the green flag button to execute the project. Tricky terms. Instruct, to train or to give an order. Interactive, more engaging. Memory block. A costume is a specific appearance for a sprite. The Costumes tab displays all the costumes for the selected sprite. Sensing blocks are used to sense the input entered by the user or detect things. Control blocks are used to control the code as well as the sprite's action. The repeat block is used to repeat the enclosed stack of blocks a specified number of times. The forever block is used to repeat the enclosed stack of blocks continuously until stopped. Extension is a new feature in Scratch 3 that allows us to make Scratch programs that can easily communicate with online resources and external hardware. The pen extension is a collection of blocks that are used to draw on the stage using the sprite as a pen. The music extension is an extension in Scratch 3 that allows users to compose music and play notes in Scratch.